Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix teardown game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, not launching, not opening, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once it is done, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general here you have to type -dx11 and now launch the game and check if this helps. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, type -d3 d11 and then check if it helps. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. Next is to allow teardown through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time and after that restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand your display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on end task. After doing this, now launch the game and then check. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it's. Next method is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having an antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to fix the problem. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. So here you have to search for check for updates and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Teardown game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Teardown game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is working or not. So these are few such solutions to fix Teardown game crashing and startup stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.